Effective reporting is crucial for making critical business decisions. Key metrics and trends offer insights to decision makers that drive the business to long-term success. Day-to-day activities also require access to accurate information to keep processes running efficiently. There are numerous tools that promise to deliver reports faster by automating the process through IT and standardized formats. Still, most organizations choose to manually write reports in spreadsheet. So, why haven't these reporting tools solved the problem? Because eliminating the human element is not the answer. We all read information differently and have business-unique features that require a human expert. So, how do we combine the expert with the real-time data we can trust? Synoptics is written to use account numbers, ledgers, and time periods. By leveraging your existing reports and a connection to your database, your reports generate on demand in minutes and allow you to drill down on any number to get answers quickly. View transactional details and share details with others or upload supporting documents to understand decisions better. Drag and drop information to easily build dashboards tailored to your metrics. Distribution is automated to share information seamlessly with others in multiple formats, including Excel spreadsheets. Getting started is simple. Our implementation averages 6 weeks and includes on-site training for your team. We offer services to support your deadlines, and we promise to have your team empowered with your core financial reports on the first day. See how you can create faster, more powerful, and more accurate reports for yourself at synopticsoftware.com and contact one of our experts for a free demo.